Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your ThermoMix TM6 not heating up. If your TM6 isn't heating up, then there are very likely two reasons which aren't very tragic. It's either that your temperature is set but no time is set. Let's close that. If you set a temperature, you should also set the time so the heating can engage. Because if you don't set the time and only set the temperature, there's a chance it won't heat up. So that's the first thing. And then also, if you set the speed above 6, it will disable the heat. So yeah, heating is available if the speed is 6 or lower. And only after making sure all of that is correct, so the time is set and the speed is below 6 or below, then you may want to clean the contacts on the bottom of your bowl. These contacts, you may want to clean them, wipe them off with a paper towel or a microfiber cloth. And make sure they are dry. Don't put them wet on the inside. Make sure they're dry before you put them in. Then put them in and try seeing if it works. If not, then it may be a heating element fault or a circuit board fault, and those require an after-sales service, so you may need to contact the service for that. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.